Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and excited to show you how I made this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is so moisturizing and it's simple and easy to follow. Applying this on my hair, it was a bomb. It made my hair soft and manageable. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Please, let's get started. So to get started, I have my avocado. I'm using one full avocado for this tutorial, and I'm going to cut it and use my spoon to bring out the meat inside the avocado. And after doing that, I keep it aside and bring out my green tea in 1 cup of water. I just allow my green tea to sit there for 10 minutes. And the avocado, after bringing out the meat, I put it in my freezer because I wasn't using it at the time I opened it, so it stayed like 1 week in the freezer. So here I have it out of the freezer. Now I'm using it. Then 1 banana, I added 1 banana to it, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt unsweetened. And after adding my Greek yogurt, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Then after the honey, I added 2 tablespoons of my egg oil. Below the video, I will drop the link to the video of the egg oil, how I made the egg oil. And after that, I added half tablespoon of moringa powder and half cup of the green tea we mixed earlier. So at this point, I'm going to use my hand blender to blend it. If you don't have hand blender, you can use the normal blender. Just pour everything inside and blend. Then you add the green tea to get the consistency you want it. For me, this is what I want. This is how I want my consistency. That's why I stopped. I just used half cup of the green tea. So at this point, my deep conditioner, my moisturizing deep conditioner is ready. So I also added 1 spoon of the egg oil, the remaining egg oil that is left. And here I have it 1 spoon, then making it 3 tablespoons of the egg oil. And here mix very well. And to avoid particles on my hair, and you can skip this part as well, it's just optional. To avoid particles, I use my strainer to strain it to make sure there's no particles on my hair after applying the deep conditioner. So guys, this is the result. This is how it looks. This deep conditioner is so moisturizing. Don't forget to try this. If you try, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions to ask, share my videos, like them, and comment. See you next time. Bye.